Hello everybody, Stinky Scrubbed here, back again with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can save some money when you're making your swaps. And by that I mean, swapping from Polygon Matic into Ethereum or Ethereum to Polygon Matic. If you've ever tried to swap these coins using one of the Polygon swapping services or like through OpenSea, you know it can be really painful with these gas fees. Sometimes they can be $60, $100. Just to swap these coins, they might be a low amount of coins. So personally, I like to use Kucoin. And if you've never used the website before, it's really easy to sign up. I have a link in the description. You only need an email. It's not like these other exchanges where you need to give them a lot of information, like where you live, your tax information. It's none of that. You only need your email. So once you're logged in and set up with Kucoin, we can actually move ahead and start depositing what it is we're swapping. Like I said, in this video, I'm going to be swapping Polygon Matic into Ethereum. So what I'm going to do is go to my main account on Kucoin, and once I'm in there, I'm going to go try to deposit. And once I go to deposit, I can see that I can choose the Polygon network because that's where I'm depositing from. And then I'll be able to just send over my coins to that address. Most of the time, Matic is really quick, but sometimes there is a little snag in the network. It's getting congested. There's a lot of stuff happening, and it can take a few minutes, but it shouldn't take too long for your Matic to appear in your account. Once we confirm that our coins have arrived onto Kucoin, they will show up in our main account. What we're going to want to do is swap that over to our trading account so we can start trading these coins. So once we're over here on the trading page, I'm going to go over and choose the swap pair of Matic for USDT, and I'm going to sell all of my Matic at market price for USDT. Once we have that, we're going to go over to USDT for ETH, and we're going to sell all of our USDT and buy ETH. And after we make our last trade, we're going to have to go back to our trading account and move the ETH back over to our main account so we can proceed to withdraw our funds to our wallet of choice. And so that's going to be in our main account, and what we need to do now is go over to our main account and withdraw all of our Ethereum that we just swapped and send it over to our MetaMask or your wallet of choice. Ethereum tends to be quite a bit slower than Polygon, so it might take a little bit longer for you to receive this, but for me it actually only took maybe 3 minutes, so it's an incredible speed, and the price is much better. If you're going through the other swapping things, you're probably going to be spending $60 to $80 just for the swap. Going through Kucoin, it's going to be around $10 to $15 at most, depending on the amount you're sending. For me, it was about a little over $10, which is a hell of a lot better than 60, 50, 80 bucks, just in my opinion. And sometimes, for me, it seems like using Kucoin to make these swaps and these trades actually works quicker than some of these other swapping websites. So I hope this helped you guys out, saved you some money, saved you some time, because the Ethereum gas fees are a big problem for small-time investors like myself. So once again, thanks for watching, and have a great night.